I am John Albert Dumaya, and this presentation is all about when technology and humanity cross. Its objective is to give information about the effects of the rising technology in humanity. Technology and humanity is now acting their functions together like they are building and making their relationship stronger day by day as the humanity is using the technology that is having an advancement for the sake of saving people's time, making their life and works easier. In one way or another, people are using technology in their everyday lives with or without knowing that they are. The alarm wakes us up every morning. We check our phones for that day's update. We cook using gas stove or electric cooker. The technology has contribution in those simple things that we do in our everyday lives. According to dictionary.com, technology is defined as the branch of knowledge that deals with the creation and use of technical means and their interrelation with life, society, and the environment, drawing upon such objects as industrial arts, engineering, applied science, and pure science. Otherwise, the technology has a great contribution in our everyday lives because of its broad function and the knowledge it contains that helps every people to produce things in an easier way. However, the advancement in technology takes its effects every day. All the Gen X and the following generations will experience the advancement as well as the changes that it may cause in our society. Online shoppings, applications, ways, social media, and other internet-connected applications that we use every day are the examples of technologies that augment people in their needs. Also, in manufacturing, the use of machines that are replace people in working their own hands, skills, and ability are being replaced. There are some robots that also replace humans from their work of function. In this case, there are positive and negative causes of technology, and those are the ones that helps the people's lives easier and that it replaces the work of people that causes the increasing numbers of unemployed persons. Technology and human are working together as a team. First thing that we wake up, we check our phones for updates about the social media updates. We turn on the TV to watch news. We use cars instead of walking to arrive earlier to work. We use laptop for presentations and other means of technology. We are entering a new chapter of advancement as we wake up. For example, this month, the iPhone 12 was released after 6 months after iPhone 12 Pro Max will be released. In just a snap, the technology advancement is rising as well as the ways of living of humanity is affected because of this advancement. As I stated earlier, technology has a negative effects as its positive effects are existing. Families are also experiencing dilemmas because of the use of the advancement of technology. One of the example I will give you is when we are choosing work over the family time. Most of the time, our parents are busy facing their laptops because of the office works and instead of talking to their child, they are talking to other people in their phone because of the business thing that makes them sacrifice their time in facing the internet instead of making time for families. Those are the effects of rising technology in humanity. It has positive and negative effects. However, we can't live without technology because we humans are intact with it. We live with technology and the technology is having advancement for the purpose of an easier way of living. Thank you.